Player profiles. Mike Monkey. This is Mike Monkey. He has 2 long brown arms and 2 short brown legs. He has 2 big feet and 1 long brown tail. He has 2 small ears and 2 big white and black eyes. His body is thin. He lives in a jungle. He eats bananas and many fruits. He can climb up trees because he has strong arms. He can swing and run too, but he cannot swim. Daisy Dolphin. This is Daisy Dolphin. She has 2 big grey flippers and a big grey tail. She has 2 small white eyes and 1 long nose. Her body is long and grey. She lives in the sea and rivers. She eats fish and octopuses. She can swim and dive. She can jump, but she cannot run. She is fast at swimming because she has strong flippers. Tim Tortoise. This is Tim Tortoise. He has 1 short green and brown tail and 4 short brown legs. He has 1 big brown shell and 1 long neck. He has 4 feet and 2 small eyes. He lives in water and on land. He eats fish and grass. He can walk and swim. He is strong because he has a hard shell. Tammy Toucan. This is Tammy Toucan. She has a long colourful beak and 2 small black eyes. She has many black and yellow feathers and 2 small wings. She has 2 short grey legs and 3 small black claws. She is small. She lives in jungles and forests. She eats fruit and insects. She can fly and sing. She can fly because she has wings and feathers. Jim Giraffe. This is Jim Giraffe. He has 2 big eyes, 2 big ears, and a big nose. He has 1 long yellow and brown neck. He has 4 long yellow legs and 2 small hairy horns. He has a brown mane and many brown and yellow spots. He has 4 grey hooves. He is very big. He lives in grassland. He eats tree leaves and fruit. He can run and walk. He is fast because he has long legs. Cherry Cheetah. This is Cherry Cheetah. She has 2 small eyes, 2 small ears, and a big nose. She has a short neck. She has 4 long and strong legs and many sharp claws. She has a long tail. She has many yellow and brown spots. She is big. She lives in grassland. She eats small animals. She can run and climb, but she cannot fly. She is very fast because she has long legs. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye!